Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line annotations are coming from. And definitely some updates here need to be made after the pullback occurred. So first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that actually played out almost perfectly today. You can see that the price, broke down below it during the first 30 minutes, and then there was this bounce, and sure, it didn't hit it exactly, so hence the word almost. So the price almost bounced off that level. So 80 cents is definitely, they're going to be that key level going forward. But again, that's just, a foundational rule in charting. So not shocking at all to see the price get rejected by 80. But also by no means is that some sort of signal that the price is never going to be able to break through it or anything like that. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, the bulls have made themselves pretty apparent, right? Not pretty. They have made themselves very apparent down here at 60 cents. I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see 60 cents, great job of acting as support. And then today, once again, held very strongly right there. So 60 cents is that near-term level. In the event the price doesn't hold above that, then keep an eye on the pink line down there, which is valued right now around the 50-cent mark, that being the very, very famous 200-period moving average. But as of right now, that's probably a little bit getting too far ahead of myself because, I mean, right now it's 60 cents, hasn't even been tested exactly. I guess right there is basically tested perfectly. Point being, it's been tested and it has held. So far, so good in that regard. 60 cents is acting just the way you would want it. But other than that, everything is still perfectly fine. I know it was a deeper pullback, but as I've said plenty of times before, this chart has experienced deeper pullbacks before. There's a deeper one. Everything turned out to be okay. There is a deeper one. Everything turned out to be okay. There is a deep one. Everything turned out to be okay. And here is yet another deep one. Now, does that mean that everything's going to be okay? No. I mean, trends can always shift and turn around and all that. But my point is that, yeah, I get it. Today the price pulled back. But within the grand scheme of things, as of right now, you still got to give the bulls the upper hand because the trend is still very clearly in the upwards direction. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, going forward, 60 cents key level of support, 80 cents key level of resistance. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.